What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Invictus Aqua and doing a quick comparison of it. Again, Invictus Aqua 2016. So, this is the 2024 version and it is labeled as a travel retail exclusive. And this you can find at duty free and things like that. So, coming to the fragrance, I never smelled the 2016 one, which is what brought all the fame to the Invictus Aqua lineup. Anyhow, without any further ado, let's just hop on into it. So yeah, travel retail exclusive. Let's just take out the cellophane. Looks like a tester box outside of the golden branding. Also, it's worth noting that Paco Rabanne has now been renamed to Rabanne since Mr. Paco Rabanne actually passed away. Funny, I don't know why that is. I assume one would honor the founder's memory, but whatever. Travel retail exclusive in Invictus Aqua. The quantity 3.4 fluid ounces. The batch number, if anyone is interested. It seems to me like the bottle is very loose inside here. And there's not much of protection. So let's just open it. Yeah, as expected, it's just loose inside. Whatever. This is what the bottle is like, standard Invictus like bottle, very frosted glass. I've seen pictures of the 2016 version of it, so yeah, they're very similar. Let's see what is down here. Regulatory info and batch code. New Parkour band logo. The R, it just says Invictus. The previous version, as you can see, didn't have the R on the atomizer, I mean the sprayer. Says Rabanne here. On this one, it just says Paco Rabanne. So yeah, this was my signature scent in college, and this is all from college. So I know how well this performs and how this smells. So yeah, let's just get into it, and we can see if there is any difference between the two. I'm not sure if this comes off on the camera, but this looks a bit more golden than this. The plastic part of it. Of course, the bottle is very tacky. So let's just do a quick spray. Yeah, same sprayer more or less. So, right off the first spray, I can definitely tell it's the same fragrance. I mean, I know this version gets a lot of hate when compared to the 2016. Uh, I'm not sure why. So, this has three notes listed. It's very simple: grapefruit, C notes, and amberwood. While that one has a touch of violet leaf along with the grapefruit. I think perhaps it's a tad bit more sweeter. I don't know. Let me just spray this on as well. Been a while, I've sprayed this also. Yeah, so this is a touch more sweeter than this. Yep, but this smells more sea salty, is what I would say. Regardless, it's not a huge difference, I would say. I love this fragrance and I have a lot of memories associated with it. So both of them have a ton of ambergris in the base. Fantastic projection, both. Yeah, so comparing them side by side, I can say that this version has a bit of I don't know, a bit of that bubblegummy aspect quite often associated with Invictus Aqua, Invictus line in general. This is more sea salty. To be honest, I wouldn't pay excess of amount for one over the other. Other than that, it's just a fragrance which you would just buy when you want to smell good, right? It doesn't really, matter whether or not you are a niche snob or what. It just smells very pleasant. So, assuming since the composition is more or less the same, I presume the performance would be the same. So, this has amazing projection. I think it lasts around 1.5 to 2 hours of very, very good, more than moderate projection. And the overall longevity, I think it lasts about 6 hours or so on my skin. So, I would assume this would perform the same. Yeah, I like both of them. So, coming to which one I would prefer, as of right now, since it's the first time I'm smelling this and I haven't, had any hands on with it, like I haven't worn it. So I'd say I'd prefer this over this as of right now. But who knows? Things may change. And to be honest, the differences are so subtle that you can't go wrong with either of them. Consider if you assuming you like the scent profile of Invictus Aqua. So that's about it. I think. This is what I guess. I don't think it's worth making a separate review of this fragrance outside of what I'm doing right now. But yeah, I think that's about it. So hope it was informative. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Peace out.